A record-breaking fine for flaunting work eligibility laws, new FCRA accusations, and help for hurricane victims. We have all this and more coming up in today's Screening News Update. If your area has ever been hit by a tree-downing storm, you have likely seen Asplundh trucks clearing the mess. Asplundh Tree Experts, one of the largest privately held companies in the country, is now on the hook for $95 million in judgments for knowingly hiring people who are not legal to work in the United States. This is the largest fine ever levied against a company over an immigration issue. Company executives pleaded guilty to a scheme that insulated senior management, allowing them to be willfully blind to the massive hiring of illegal workers. A 6-year audit by Homeland Security Investigations found that the company decentralized its hiring process so higher-ups could claim they had no idea about who was on the payroll. After the guilty plea, the company was ordered to forfeit $80 million. The remaining $15 million is to be paid to settle civil claims. A Tampa woman has filed a lawsuit against the German-based grocery store chain Aldi. Erica Hurtado claims the company obtains background checks on their applicants and their employees without having a standalone disclosure form. The lawsuit also claims Aldi makes adverse employment decisions using these undisclosed reports. Starting on October 31st, employers in New York City will no longer be allowed to ask a job applicant about their salary history during the hiring process. As with any new law, there are questions about how it has to be implemented. If you hire in NYC, it might help you to know that the Commission on Human Rights has put out fact sheets and now a list of FAQs to make this transition easier. This new page helps narrow the definition of salary history, which is a pretty broad phrase. It also delves into issues like getting salary information in a background report and how to handle salary expectations and voluntary disclosure of that information. Those of you who are affected by this might want to review your hiring process with your legal counsel before this law goes into effect. The House Ways and Means Committee has released a new disaster relief bill that creates temporary tax cuts to help alleviate the pain facing business owners in the wake of Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria. Chairman Kevin Brady released the disaster relief bill, saying it will help victims keep more of their paychecks and deduct more of the costs of the property damage. The bill will also allow people to withdraw from their retirement funds without paying a penalty and offer employers up to $6,000 in tax credits per employee. Well, that's all for today. Be sure to join us every week for more news, and be sure to check out eviinc.com for more screening information. I'm Jennifer Gladstone. See you next time.